Hello. I am back with a cooking video today. A little food for thought. Deciding what to cook is more difficult than the actual cooking. Don't you think so? Well, I always look for easy yet yummy recipes. So in this video, I am cooking my version of Chhole Masala. Today is one of the days when I am in no mood to cook, but definitely in a mood to eat something tasty. But also I am avoiding to order food from outside. So this recipe of Chhole Masala always comes to rescue on such days. The recipe is not an authentic one, but I have adjusted the masalas as per our taste buds. I prefer to eat it with cucumber salad and rice, but this tastes great with roti too. But as I have already mentioned, I am feeling a little lazy today. So preparing roti would be a little bit of hassle. Okay, so chhole is almost ready now. I am waiting to relish it. But if you want the detailed recipe, please write recipe in the comments. Okay, bye. Enjoy the final minutes of the video.